to see how scary these alarms are. Now join me as we go through them. Ready? And go! Grease, 5 out of 10. It just sounds like robots are trying to destroy the world, and it's your final warning. 0 out of 10. Not scary at all. Very confused. 0 out of 10. It's just beeping. 6 out of 10. The one that goes, oh, it's scary. I don't want to hear that at night. Instantly gets, what is that sound? That's gonna be a 7 out of 10. What is that? Is it just a beam? 1 out of 10. It sounds like it's someone is just whistling through a meadow. 7 out of 10. It sounds like a tornado warning sound. 8 out of 10. Australia. Imagine hearing this at night. This is pretty scary. 2 out of 10. It's too quiet. Oh! Okay, that's 2 out of 10 because it's hurting my ears. Oh wow. Oh, I'm riding a race car! Oh look, I have a race car! Let's race! Ow! That's 2 out of 10. Oh! 1 out of 10. Sounds like it's just beeping. Oh. 2 out of 10. It's just normal. 0 out of 10. It's just a copycat of US. Oh! 10 out of 10. This sounds like a ghost incoming to your house, and this is your final warning. Oh, this is scaring me. 7 out of 10. It sounds like a scariest game in the world. 3 out of 10. It's like, it just sounds like I'm bouncing. Wow, 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 I'm bouncing like it's stop. Oh, that 9 out of 10. This one actually scared me because it was so loud. China gets 20 out of 10. When it was like, it'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ba, ba, ba. Do, 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 do. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. 4 out of 10. It just sounds like someone is yawning, but it's like so big. 3 out of 10. Boo! 8 out of 10. Please, I don't want to go to Brazil if this is their alarm. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a headache. 5 out of 10. Another copycat from US. Okay, this is hurting my ears. 9 out of 10. Sounds like someone is in trouble, and it just sounds like a normal ambulance. Oh, it's been... it just sounds like a normal vacuum from far away. Last one. No. Well, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next time. Ready for our next adventure? Great! This is me zooming out.